appreciate the administration. Basekhona i-budget ye-examination processes wonke, including i-budget yokuthi kukhokhelwe ama-examination officers or examination assistants and markers and all labo abazobe beyiphathi imali. Kodwa siyafisa ukubonga kakhulu nomsebenzi owenziwe yibo bonke abantu ekade be-involve kwi-examination. Akuyona i-process elula. It's one of the difficult and complex process because it deals with the integrity of the department, but it also deals with the integrity of the province. But also it deals with the future of our learners and the future of KZN and the future of South Africa.